Hello everyone, welcome here. In this lecture, you are going to learn how to check and how to handle password strength, which is the minimum password requirement using JavaScript. Let's see here a demonstration. I'll show you one capital letter I have added, small letters I have added, symbol and the number. Then it will be moved into the strong password. You may observe here it is a strong password, it is displaying here. So if I typing something, it will show you what the password strength. Same. Let's see. Capital letter and all the combination, capital letter, small letter, number, special character with minimum 8 characters. If it is reached, then only it will show you like strong password, or else capital letter, small letter and symbol and the number, it will be show you like medium only. See, these many facilities are available in this particular password. So here in this password, like I'll explain you very simply. So this is the like a bootstrap we have taken for only for the design, like by seeing the output of these things, strong, these things and effects of here. And this is the code. You may take a copy of snapshots. And now here you may go to the body. Here password strength checker, it's a div element, input type password, placeholder type your password, and ID pass entry. And this is the class from the like a password input and all. Okay, span, this is JavaScript, which is the password check.js external file which is called. So I'm going to here password check file. See, this is the password check file. Let's time out traversal password. It's a document.get element by ID, which we have taken with the use of like a pass entry, and strength badge. This is the like how it is moving from one place to like the things we have added, like a strong, medium, weak. These things are maybe changing with the help of this group of code. If password like a strong password dot test, and if a medium password dot test, how it is going to be adding the style sheets. For the purpose this is implemented. So the password parameter. So let's see strong password, which we have used like a regular expression with the, this is the pattern from here to here. You may take it. So X like here it is an 8 characters to be length, A to Z and 0 to 9, capital A to Z, small a to Z, and this is the combination we have used there. Okay. And if it is a 6 characters length, it is going to be applied for 6 characters of the length. It is going to be applied for what? Yeah, this is the code. Very clearly here it is displaying everything. So medium will be treated as 6 characters. All in capital, small, special character and all should be there. Alright. And add listener. While typing the input, it will be automatically listen what the character is going to be entering, and automatically it will be read, and it is converting the things. I hope you are familiar with that. So let's see, I'll show you the output once again. Capital letter, small letter, number and 8 characters. So it is moving into the strong. See, this is what how we have prepared this code, entire code. It is presenting here. Yeah, if you need you can take a snapshot of this and prepare a standard password strength in your application, which is absolutely free. We'll catch you in the next lecture. Thank you.